App won't start because of the C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. Before diving into the C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library, frequently a vendorized static C runtime library found in portable software. It provides basic routines like memory allocation, malloc, and file handling. If missing from the local folder, the application will be unable to resolve its primary C entry points, resulting in an application failed to initialize 0xC0000005 crash. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library DLL is an application-specific dependency for static C runtime library, Shim, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve C Runtime Multi-Threaded Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.